Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at what came in the mail yesterday. Actually, it came from Lowe's. We've been waiting for 3 months for this to arrive. This is the new Bespoke Range. It's in navy steel blue. It's a very pretty blue. Like it very much. We really didn't have a sample to tell when we ordered it, so we have been anxiously awaiting what it was going to look like. So it's a smooth top glass on the top with the front controls. So the middle button here, you can set your bake, convection oven, convection roast, broil, air fry, keep warm, bread proof, dehydrate, or air fry. So those are the selections. You can dial in your temperature and then you just hit start. It also has a warming function in the middle here, so it has a warmer and then the 4 burners. This burner has triple rings, so you got small pot, medium pot, and large pot. This one has dual rings, small pot, medium pot. And these knobs are illuminated. They have LEDs around the knobs when you use them. Now the oven is this nice enameled finish. It's got 2 shelves. Also comes with the air fry pan, and it is convection oven with the fan blower in the back. So the blue, I'm really liking the blue, guys. The blue is very pretty. Now, also along with that, we got the matching microwave. So the matching microwave in the blue steel looks very pretty. I see some handprints on it. So this is the inside. Got the turntable, metal shelf. The door is one big door instead of having the door with the buttons on the side. And here's all your quick code. So if you want to do a reheat, 1 is casserole, 2 is dinner plate, 3 is pasta, and it gives you right down the line here what the buttons are for setting it for the quick. Very glossy, very shiny. So when you put the 2 together, see if I can get back here far enough to get them both. There you are. That is the Bespoke Range and microwave. Now, this Bespoke refrigerator has replaceable panels, selectable replaceable panels, and we just got our code today for the replacement panels so that we can order another color. And we haven't decided what colors we're going to get, but one of them is going to be navy steel for sure. So we're going to get 1 panel on this Bespoke refrigerator with the navy blue. So we are going to be matching this here and this here. And we also got the Bespoke dishwasher. So this dishwasher has storm wash, high temperature wash, sanitize, smart dry, high and low, smart control, it's Wi-Fi connected, download cycle, pre-blast, express 60, delicate, heavy, normal, auto, start delay, and it's part of the Smart Things package. So it has the Bespoke white glass on it. I know in this white balance it doesn't look pure white, but it's an off-white glass. It's a flush fit, surface fit. It has stainless steel interior. So it has a really nice finish on the inside. It's got the lower rack with your utensil rack here. It also Has a secondary rack, and it has what we really like is a triple rack, the one on top. Now you can put all your knives in here, your utensils, knives, forks, spoons, and put that on the top instead of having to dig them out from the bottom. It's very quiet. You can hardly tell it's running. You turn it on, you can barely hear it. It is very, very quiet. See, it's a flush fit. So everything, when it's closed, is flush with the cabinet. If your cabinet has enough room, that is. So we got the Bespoke white glass dishwasher, the navy steel Bespoke Range, the navy steel matching microwave, and the Bespoke refrigerator with removable replaceable panels.